In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit opening balance in Zoho Books. Before we start, a quick note on what opening balances are. They're the starting figures for your accounts when you begin using Zoho Books or when you're transitioning into a new accounting period. They set the foundation for accurate reports, so make sure you have your trial balance or prior statements handy and only proceed if you're confident about the numbers you want to adjust. First, open Zoho Books and click the settings icon, the small gear typically found on the main dashboard. This area controls your organization-wide preferences and financial setup. Going through settings ensures you're editing the official opening balances rather than posting a regular journal entry, which keeps your books clean and consistent for reporting and reconciliation. Next, choose opening balances from the settings menu. This takes you to the dedicated page where Zoho Books centralizes beginning balances for all accounts. Here, you'll see a structured list of accounts along with columns to record debits and credits. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct organization and that the balances reflect the start date you intend to work with. If you've recently migrated data or closed a prior period, this is the right place to align those numbers. Now, select the account you want to adjust. This could be a bank account, a credit card or loan, accounts receivable, accounts payable, fixed assets, or equity. Be especially careful with receivables and payables. Changes here affect customer and vendor balances and can impact aging reports. If you're correcting a bank or cash balance, verify it against your bank statement for the opening date you're targeting. For equity-related figures, align them with your accountant's guidance so retained earnings and capital accounts remain accurate. Finally, enter the debit and credit amounts for the selected account. Use the correct column rather than typing negative numbers. As a simple guide, assets and expenses typically increase with debits, while liabilities, equity, and income generally increase with credits. For example, a cash or bank opening amount is usually a debit. A credit card or loan opening amount is usually a credit. Enter only what's needed to reflect the true starting position, and cross-check that your entries keep the overall books in balance. If you're adjusting multiple accounts, debits and credits should offset one another. Review your entries carefully before leaving the page and keep a note or supporting document for audit trails. That's it. Your opening balances are updated in Zoho Books, and your financial starting point is now aligned with your records.